Did you know that there's a right and a wrong way of washing your microfiber towels and accessories? You may think that just simply throwing them in the washer with any detergent will do, but in reality, that's not the case. So today, we're going to show you guys the correct way on how to wash your microfiber towels. The first thing that you want to do is sort out your microfiber goods. So you want to separate your dirty towels from your not so dirty towels. You want to separate your glass cleaning towels from your waxing towels and polishing towels, because the last thing that you want to do is cross-contaminate. And you also want to sort out your microfiber accessories like wash mitts and applicators, as well as your drying towels. So now that you have all your towels sorted out and you're ready to wash, now it's time to choose the right detergent. So the last thing that you want to do is use any kind of detergent that you have laying around at home. You want to use something specifically for microfiber, like Microfiber Wash. Microfiber Wash is a specialty detergent that we here at Chemical Guys have created specifically for microfiber towels and accessories. When you use the wrong detergent, these microfiber strands, what ends up happening is they get fluffed up because they get dried out, and they also get hard and brittle, which can potentially scratch up your paint. And last but not least, it also causes these microfiber strands to not be absorbent anymore. So you basically render your microfiber towels and accessories useless because you want them to stay soft and absorbent. This product does not contain any kind of fabric softener whatsoever and/or harsh chemicals that are going to dry out your microfibers. Now let's show you how to wash your microfiber goods with Microfiber Wash. The first thing that you want to do is load up your washer with your first batch of microfiber goods that you're going to wash. Now you want to add a couple ounces of microfiber wash into the washer reservoir. Depending on the size of the load and how dirty the load is, will determine how much of microfiber wash you should be using. Typically, for a small load, you want to use anywhere from about 1 to 3 capfuls. For a medium load, you want to use 3 to 5 capfuls, and for a large load, you can use up to 5 to 8 capfuls. And keep in mind, if your towels are more on the dirty side, then feel free to add a couple more ounces of microfiber wash to your wash. Secondly, you never want to add fabric softener, so skip that step. If you add fabric softener, just consider your microfiber towels ruined. Just throw them away in the trash. Don't even use them. Don't even try to fix them. They're done. It's over. If you use fabric softener, congratulations. You played yourself. All right, so when it comes to the temperature of the water that you should wash your microfiber goods in, when you use high heat to wash, it actually does help out the microfiber strands, release any kind of oils that are trapped within. So when it comes to washing, feel free to use a hot or warm setting, but if you want to play it safe, you can also use a cold setting. It all depends on your personal preference. So now that the washer is ready to go, all you have to do is hit start and wait. In the meantime, you can adjust your fantasy lineup, you can read a book, go out for a walk, watch a movie, go wash the dishes, I don't know. Pickleball, basketball, baseball, eat lunch. All right, let's go to the drying. So to dry your towels, all you have to do is simply take them out the washer, throw them in the dryer, and you want to dry on a low heat setting or on a tumble setting. You never want to use high heat when it comes to drying, because dry heat will burn out the microfiber strands, so that's the last thing that you want to do when it comes to washing your towels. And that's it. That's how easy it is to wash your microfiber towels and accessories. As you guys saw, it's nothing really technical. It's not really rocket science. It's just a matter of choosing the right cleaner for the job. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys want to pick up your very own bottle of microfiber wash, I would highly recommend picking it up in the gallon, because you're going to love this stuff. So make sure to pick yours up today at chemicalguys.com. You'll find the links in the description and pinned comment down below. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys, and we'll see you guys next time. So when you use other detergents like it really f***s up your car.